The question that most people are asking, including myself, is whether it is in your interest to promote your videos, to promote your YouTube channel using Sprizzy.com. Based on that, I decided to run more campaign on Sprizzy.com so I can be able to help you make an informed decision when it comes to promoting your YouTube channel. So in today's video, which is another in-depth review of Sprizzy.com, I will tell you what my opinions about Sprizzy.com is. I will guide you so you don't make the same mistake that I've made when trying to promote my YouTube channel. So if you are looking for the best review of Sprizzy.com, it's coming up. Hi, my name is VK. I educate and motivate people so they can start and grow a successful business online. And that's what this channel is about. That's what I'm talking about on this channel. So if you want to grow a successful business online, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Sprizzy.com. I'm going to give you an in-depth review of Sprizzy.com. And I will tell you by the end of this video if it's in your interest to promote your YouTube channel, to promote your YouTube videos using Sprizzy.com. But first, before you open a new tab and put in Sprizzy.com to go to their website, I want to let you know that in the description of this video, I have a link that is taking you to the same place. When you use that link and create a campaign on Sprizzy.com, you will get 150 views for free. So it's your choice to make. Either you open a new tab and you go to Sprizzy.com, or you use the link I have in the description of this video to get 150 free views on your video. With that said, let's jump into the video. Okay, here I am inside my Sprizzy.com account, and the first thing I'm going to do is to increase the budget for one of my campaigns, especially this one, and the title of the video is how to make money online without investment. So I'm going to increase the budget on this campaign. I already spent $141 and I only have $17 remaining in the account, and I'm going to increase the budget, and I will tell you why in a second. But first, follow me and I will click on increase budget. Then I will enter the amount here. But before I write anything in that box, you will see below here, there's a special offer. They want me to increase by $100 to get 10% more views for free. And I will accept this. So I will click on accept offer. And you will see that I'm going to add $100 to my account, which will give me between 3,333 to 4,444 views. So I will click on process payment below here, which you cannot see, I'm sure. And your campaign has been founded. So when I click on my campaigns to go back to my account, you will see that instead of $17 remaining, I now have $127 remaining in this campaign. In my previous video, I showed you inside this account, and I talked about this video and the results that I got from this video. And if you haven't watched that video, you can see the link up here, and if you click on that, you will be able to watch that video and watch me tell you the truth about Sprizzy.com. So I will click on engagement report so you can see what this account is giving me. When I click on the account, you can see that there are so many things happening here. From July 4th until today, I've been getting views on this video, and I don't want to go over all this because the video will be too long. So I will scroll down, and at the bottom here you can see that I got a total of 2,848 views, 29 subscribers, and 16 people liked the video and 16 others disliked the video. And I got one comment on the video. In my previous video, if you watch it, you will see that I didn't get any engagement on the video. I just got views. I didn't get any subscribers. I didn't get any likes or dislikes on the video. I didn't even get any comments. But I can see that this video is doing well. Even though I have 16 people saying they don't like my video, YouTube counts all those as engagement. And the reason why people dislike this video, I will tell you in a second. But what I want you to understand is that this video is doing well. It's getting views, getting subscribers, and that's why I just added more fund to this campaign. And now I will leave this page and go to youtube.com and show you what YouTube itself is saying about this traffic that I'm getting from Sprizzy.com. Okay, here I am on youtube.com and this is the video here, and I will click on analytics. And on this page, what you can see is that my views are going up because of the traffic that I'm getting from Sprizzy. And to the right side here, you can see that YouTube itself is saying that I got 30 subscribers from this video, which again shows me that this video is performing well and I need to promote it even more. The average view duration on this video is 23.5%, which is 1 minute and 60 seconds. The video itself is 5 minutes and 26 seconds. And you can see that up to 3% of the viewers are watching this video till 5 minutes and 9 seconds. But most importantly, what I want you to pay attention to on this page is where my views are coming from. So I will click on reach, and when I scroll down, you will see that YouTube itself is saying 93.3% of my views are coming from YouTube advertising. And I know the majority of the views on this video are coming from Sprizzy, which means once again that Sprizzy is using YouTube advertising to promote my videos. But what really surprised me about this video is that I have a lot of people disliking the video, and right now we are at 67.9%. And when I go to the home page of my channel, you can see that this video is among the top performing videos on my channel, which is right here. And for most of them, the like to dislike ratio is 100%. This one got 1 dislike. This one, which is the first on the channel, got 221 likes and 28 dislikes. But this video that I'm promoting on Sprizzy got more dislikes than I thought possible. You can see that we are here at 67%, the like to dislike ratio. This is 35 likes and 17 dislikes, which is too much. But first, getting those engagement on my video shows me that Sprizzy is promoting my videos to real human beings. And the reason why they are disliking this video that much is because I told them the truth. And you can watch the video by following the link that will show up here. But I'm inviting you to listen to this for a few seconds. If you want to make money, if you want to start working from home, if you want to build your online business and you have money to invest and you are investing that money into a program that works, you will reach the level of success that you want even faster than you think. But if you don't have money to spend and you want to start building your business online and you want to make money online with no investment, it takes time. So before I talk about the method that I want to share with you in this video, let me tell you this. If you are looking for a way to make money online because you are looking for a way to pay your rent at the end of this month, or you don't have money to put food on the table and that's why you want to make quick cash on the internet looking for a free way to make money online, it's better you don't waste your time. The advice I will give you if you are facing those issues is to go look for a job. If you already have a job but still having those issues, go look for a second job. And I'm dead serious here. So you see, it's just because I told them the truth. And I totally understand that. Whether it is a like or a dislike, all of them are engagements that is telling YouTube that people are reacting to my videos. And if at this point you like my video, if at this point you enjoy what I'm talking about already, go down and smash the like button for me. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing and remember to hit the bell notification. That way, next time I upload a new video on this channel, YouTube will send you a notification. I have a third campaign in my Sprizzy account that just went live and I only got 61 views on this, and the budget is $110 on this campaign, which means that I will surely make a third video about Sprizzy depending on the result that I got from this third campaign. So like I said in the previous video, if you want to promote your YouTube channel and you don't have time to learn Google Ads, going to Sprizzy to promote your videos is a good way to grow your channel. So as I said at the beginning of this video, I have a link in the description that is taking you to Sprizzy.com. But what's powerful about that link is that if you use it to create your campaign on Sprizzy.com, you will get 150 views for free on your video. So if you want to create your campaign, if you want to grow your YouTube channel using Sprizzy.com, make sure to go in the description to use that link. I really appreciate your time, but before I let you go, I will not forget to let you know that I will really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to help more people to know how to promote their videos, how to promote their YouTube channel, make sure to share this video on your social media. The like button on the video will be somewhere here or here, I don't know, but make sure to smash the like button for me. This is what it is about today. I really appreciate your time. If you like the video, make sure to go down and like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. That way, next time I upload a new video on this channel, I will send you a notification. Thank you for watching. This is VK, and I will see you in the next video.